Been here before? When were you here?
2 weeks ago.
In 2 weeks' time. What happened since the last time you were here?
Ik was maandag bij Tigerberg geweest.
She was in Tyburg on Monday, Prophet.
Is it the Monday after you've been here or when?
Yes.
Huh?
Maandag was ik weer daar geweest.
And she was there on Monday again, Prophet.
Ik was voor die uitslagen geweest. Mijn nierfuncties is nog baie goed. Mijn telling is goed.
Her kidneys so well, Prophet.
Why did you think I called you out? Because you dream about me. See, dream. I come to her in a dream, and I even pray for her. I say to her, "You are healed." You ask her.
Prophet,
Yes.
she has just confirmed now, Prophet, that after her deliverance 2 weeks ago, she experienced no more pains, Prophet. And she also confirmed that she has been dreaming that, Prophet.
De paas had die zijn handen op mij gezet.
Prophet laid his hands over
In a
her.
dream.
Yes. En paas had mij gezegd, is genees.
And Prophet said that
It's
she is
already
healed.
done.